Monsoons are incomplete without fried snacks such as pakodas or bhajias. When it is raining heavily outside, it is very comforting to have garma garam pakodas with chai. Today I have made Methi Pakodas, which is also known as Methi na Gota. It is a traditional Gujarati snack made with besan, methi leaves and spices. It is very easy to make. I have taken fresh methi leaves here, washed them, chopped them and keep them aside. Here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Crush them to a coarse powder. And in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Keep this aside. Now in a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of besan, 2 cups of chopped methi leaves, half cup of chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of rava. Add the crushed pepper and coriander, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 3 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and salt as per taste. Mix everything nicely. Add water as required and keep mixing. Add water gradually to make a nice smooth paste. The paste should look like this. Now here I am adding a pinch of baking soda. It is optional. In case if you want to skip that, you can do so. Add 1 tablespoon of hot oil and mix nicely. Now we'll take a small portion of this batter and drop into hot oil. Fry the pakodas on medium heat. Once the pakodas are fried, remove them using a slotted spoon and place it on absorbent paper. Serve the pakodas with green chutney and tea. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.